gun in a pussy face. Big belly Taurus, I light up the place. Louder than
I'm gonna want to grab a tear drum, sorry. What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back in if I could another video for you guys. Now, right now, people, we have Vybz Kartel, Bududum, official music video. I don't know what to expect, people. It dropped last night when me asleep. A lot of song dropped last night, but guess what? Like up this video, we know the Christmas spirit, as me I said. No, so I've done it for like a week, I'm just never put them on. Honestly, don't remember. I just ran into them just now. But reaction boss outside represent this and scratch it out of the neck. Bad man, Christmas hot. Alright, that will look better. Yeah. Anyways, let's see what happening for this song. Like up this video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. I know post every single day, numerous times for the day. We're on the road to 40,000 subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please smack the subscribe button in the face right now. Do it. Anyways, run through. Let's see what's happening. The pause bar is in full effect because I don't want my video to get blocked. Go. Bad man thing, a bad man
baby.
thing.
19 mile. Kill boy from early.
It look like some natural disaster about to go down, people. Some natural disaster about to go down in this place right now, So you know what we are gonna do? Run. Go on.
Tavern, Bududum.
Tavern.
Boss it up, Bududum.
Alright.
Go on my belly wait for day, I couldn't cope. Good you.
Dopey all that boy ends. I saw Tavern a roll out for the people them. And that's really a go on right now. Man, them roll. Grimy. Go on, let's see what I go on.
If you should have run, you shouldn't go. Stand by.
I'll stand by the night. So yeah, that basically, they just showed us the happenings. This was the night before. Let's see what happened the night before. But stand by, big up yourself. Big up a water house too. You see me I say. Alright, watch your style now. Go on!
The baddest artists when Jamaica ever see have some just come artists where they have to go on and them a bad artists. I want them.
What a chore. See there? Vybz Kartel, Bududum. Them this terror down. We didn't know. Let's have a look feet. See them. Vybz Kartel, Bududum. They get this. Who get this? Jano, I get big email like that video and a star. You know, run through. Jano, sir, be an email I get. Hold on, turn off my email notification. Hold on. Can't bother with this. I get be an email at the middle of the video. Jaja never fail. Just turn off all of them at all. Can't bother with no text right now right now coming on the banger phone. You know you see banger phone, no chatting around, no ramp with him mother foot. We're back. Sorry about that. Run tune. Boy ugly. Look at man for him. Look him say. You leave on him down him say so. But go on. Yeah. I said the whole them thing for real. I told them I said the bad song and drop in the gun song and drop in the dark. You see me I say. I told them I said the word the vlogger. I told the dog. I don't know a long time when I see the vlogger them talk about cartel, you know. Popcorn and a drop song and bass song and drop today. But a long time I see the vlogger them talk about some cartel song for real. A long time for real, you know. How I go on? You change up, man. I'm not follow me and tell people. But go on.
Stand by.
Roll out.
Boss me gun in a pussy face. Big belly Taurus, I light up the place. Louder than
I look on a while ago about tear jump, sorry. But all me I look on a while ago about tear jump. But dog, and the woman do the maths. That will like see. Go on.
As every baby wake. Boy, if you dead, you feel the greater weight.
Yeah.
Play it na your chest, play it na your face.
Yeah.
Turn it over this way, be a man a skate.
Play it in your chest, play it in your face, turn it over. That's what everybody I skate him say a while ago. Skate. Remember, I'm someone called skate for them, man. Nah, I say 40. Go on.
Oh, go
One
on.
foot of shoes, be a
You know,
girl
so
a
I
scrape.
look
But
at
she
go on
no
one
take
night,
shot,
man.
call center.
Go and
Yeah.
anyway,
One
then soon,
done, miss a
dirt,
beat,
you
miss a
know.
miller
Yes,
chat.
sir. Yeah, man,
Umbrella,
dirt,
me a
man.
pen a ooze.
War start. The dad them say anyway them see them man they're dirt dog. After them go someone want shoot out the man them. Because them say no Kartel sign up for place you. Gaza fans grimy and wicked. You see that? If you tell go on part and say no you're in a Gaza song. Man they gon' kill just because you're wrong, you're wrong. Are you go start fight too? Are you go fight the man them? You could just talk your talk and go on about your business, but you go kick up the man, you beat up the man. What?
Killer chat, lima pop when the cigar not nigga drop.
Me must walk with the party like it's a little toy.
You look at things with them on the boy, them say anyway, they ain't catching that dirt, you know.
Belly wet for day, you couldn't
Dirt.
good you, then you shoulda run, you
You
shoulda
don't know
run.
no. You don't know.
Live up the thing them then.
Right, my boss.
Bust
Hey, for the Dan, you know, brother. They look funny, dog. That laugh after that laugh. Nah, look at the Dan people. Look at the Dan face, people. Patchy Dan face.
good you, then you shoulda.
Apparently, Dan and the one in the black panda. You only man the panda side right there, so. So I want you the Dan. Apparently, I'm the Dan. Look at the man. Just pray the Dan.
Run, you shouldn't go.
Take a step there. Live up the thing them then.
Right, my boss.
Watch your man
Bust
face.
it
I
up,
look scared.
Bududum. Gun pa my belly wet for day, you couldn't cool. Good you, dead, you should.
Me dead already. From me see your face, me gone. Me say, look on the man face, people. Look on him. Me dead already. Me not you have to bother kill me. Me done dead. You don't have to bother kill me at all. I want to go on with that song. Oh, my video. Me done dead. Look on him face. Me done dead. Go on.
Run, you shouldn't go.
Man, them a go on a
Take
mission.
when myself quick fast.
Yeah.
Left you seen and no show me no itch dog.
Left his scene and a show. Him not itch. Right now, we see man on the ground. Them a chat the ground with some gun I not even know about the name. I'm see man on a motorcycle with some shreddings I don't even know about. You know what? Go on.
Bill a spliff puff be a smoke.
Yeah.
Hide from the dopey pissed off. Clean clothes, well fresh, yeah, me Chris dog.
So which man, the man them in the show, come send chat about anyway, them see them a dirt. After them ends them and look on the done over there, so people.
Clean my gun, full the clip, grab me cheese star.
news.
More if it dead, me not done, but me reach far. Catching badness and nothing weak, boy.
About catching badness, enough weak boy. But it make all news. When them man, you're famous dopey in the UK, you make news, you know. Famous dopey alone make news, you know. Go on.
One done, Miss a B, Miss a Miller chat. Umbrella, me a pen, a who still a chat.
Yeah.
Lima pop when the cigar not nigga drop.
They were supposed to be the police and we just seen a shootout a while ago. I would have made that again. Reaction boss. But them man is supposed to be the police and we just seen a shootout just a while ago. Go
Dig a
on.
hole, bill a box, yeah, I eat that. Bust it up, Bududum. Gun pa my belly wet for day, you couldn't cool.
Shit, someone hide them gun in a fall coop. I'm belly, Adi walk with gun pan him belly. Man now put him gun in a fall coop. You know about that? Go on.
You dead, you shoulda run, you shouldn't go. Bududum. Bust it up, Bududum. Gun pa my belly.
I like it. I like how the females them outside there was that bad girl thing. You see me? Them girl like them bother them man because one of the girls started she do the first killings, the first strappings. You hear me? So the guys and girls them big up on themselves. I like want to represent. Grime instead of that video. Go on. I share it done instead of that man brother. Go on there. Him have a death wish. The brother they have a death wish. No man, the brother they have a death wish. Him have a death wish. He must have a death wish. Hold on fast, brother. You're not gonna come in at the video and I'm going to say when I'm going to say you have the tag on the at same way, dog. Like, who does that? We see the tag on the at, brother. We see it. You know if I put it in the camera, so now, like. Alright.
Gaza will say. Gaza
Man a skate. 1 foot of shoes, be a gal a scrape. Ochi.
I'm telling about girl them, man. Bad people. Them girl don't take no chat. Them girl that better than the whole of the man. The man even be a talkies and I go all conversations. Mama say she not all no chat. A straight shopping she a deal with. Go on.
Take shot, call center lock. Boss it up, Bududum.
When you hear the lyrics?
Gun
What
pan me
pause? When you hear the lyrics a while ago? The man say him not take. Man a chat. Call center lock. Call center lock.
You wait for day, you couldn't cope. Good you dead, you shoulda run, you shouldn't go.
What's it? Budo. Don't It's a good look. Big up for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction of the video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Watch the ads. You understand me? Watch the ads. Yes, big up yourself. If you support the reaction boss by watching the ads. Hopefully I get to post this video again, as I say, at the end of every video nowadays, because I don't know what I do, but they're getting blocked. I'll be okay if there was just copywriting it and keep it viewable for you guys to view it, but they're blocking it now. So I'm just gonna hope and pray every time I do a video and but peace out.